Hey guys, it's Caitlin. I teach technology at Signature Premier Properties. Today I have another KVCore video for you. Again, KVCore is free for all our agents. So if you'd like to learn more about Signature or our technology, please send me a message. I'm always happy to chat. One of the powerful things that KVCore can do for you is it can completely automate your posting on social media sites. It can automatically post for you on Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to go to Marketing, and then Core Listing Machine. This new window will open. It has a lot of great marketing tools in here, but I'm just gonna go to Social Media and then Setup on the top. So here, I'm already connected. You're just gonna click on Connect under whichever one that you want to set up, and then log in with your social media. If you're doing Facebook, you have to connect with your personal one first and then select your business page. You don't want to allow posting on your personal site. So once you connect it, just uncheck allow posting for your personal page and allow posting for your business page. But let me just show you some of the stuff you can do. So once you connect the account, just by clicking on connect, putting in your information, you can click on continue, and it's going to let you choose some of your preferences. So there are a few different types of content that KVCore can post for you. It can post your listings. It can post other signature agents' listings that have approved this. These are called MPLs, or marketplace listings, within KVCore, and it's a really great tool for new agents especially to make it seem like they're doing a lot more business than they actually are on their social media. The first prompt it asked you for is select your coverage areas. This has to do with the marketplace listings, so you're gonna type in the different cities that you want other listings to be posted for. I'm from Huntington, so I'm just gonna type in Huntington, New York. Click on continue. To what social media page would you like to post content? KVCore training test. This is a private Facebook page I made just to test out the different content types that KVCore can post for you. But first it's gonna ask on which days you would like to post content. This is about these articles. So KVCore can post help articles for you. It will give you all of these different categories, and you have to choose at least 8 that you're interested in. Choose your location and then click continue. Now it's gonna ask about holidays. So here are a bunch of different holidays. If there's any that you don't want it to post, just unselect it. For example, I don't live in Canada, so I'm not gonna post for the Canadian holidays. There's also different religious holidays in here. For example, Christmas. You can change over Christmas. You can have it post a religious Christmas picture, non-religious, or simply happy holidays. And below here, it can show you a sample of what it'll post. So this is a sample of the New Year's Eve post it'll post for you. You can choose different samples to see what it would post. Click on continue. How often do you want it to post your own listings? So if you don't want it to post your own listings, unclick allow listings. But here you can choose, I want it to post just one time, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or manual, which that just means you have to post it yourself. I'm gonna click on weekly, continue. And here now it's asking how often you want it to post marketplace listings. So you can choose up to every day or just a few days that you want. You can put in the price range of the listings you want it to post. Here's how we typed in Huntington earlier. Now it's just gonna post listings in Huntington. I can click on modify and change the towns if I want. Click on continue. If I want to upload a new agent profile picture besides the one on my profile already, I can do that here, or change my name, but I don't need to do that because my profile is set up. And now I'm just going to click on save and exit, and now I'm set up to post every day on social media. This is just going to run continuously forever until I disconnect it. It'll post every day for me if I want to, which is really great because it can take a lot off your hands. Social media can be a full-time job. A lot of people have asked, can we set this up with Instagram? No, because it has a lot of text, like it's not just photos, but it's a great way to take managing your Facebook business page off your hands completely. If you go to social media at the top and then dashboard, you can see some stats on how your posts are performing and what the different things that are posting. If you click on create a post, it'll allow you to shortcut to post one thing one time on social media. My dashboard, the engagement makes no sense because it's a private Facebook page that no one actually likes, so don't look too closely, but some really useful tools in here. So if you have any questions about Signature Premier Properties or our technology, please feel free to send me a message. Also, if there's any other videos you'd like to see from me, any other KVCore tutorials, comment below.